Physical quantities and their measurement. We know matter has two properties, the physical property and the chemical properties. The physical properties are quantitative in nature and they can be measured. For measurement, we use a number followed by a unit. For example, the length of room can be measured with the help of a number and a unit, that is, suppose 6 meter, where the meter is the unit. Now the question stands, why do we measure the length of room in meter and why not in kilometer, meter, centimeter or millimeter? To understand this, let us study about the system of measurement. English system and the metric system were the previous system of measurement, but nowadays we use the SI system as the standard system of measurement, where SI stands for System International in French. The SI system has seven fundamental units, which are the units of seven fundamental scientific quantities, and other quantities are derived from these seven fundamental units and fundamental scientific quantities. Fundamental units are those units which can neither be derived from any other unit nor can they be converted to the simplest units. There are total seven fundamental units in the SI system. The physical quantity time has second as the unit. It is represented as S. Mass is the physical quantity with kilogram as unit represented as kg. Length is represented by unit meter, in short as m. Temperature has the unit Kelvin represented by K. Electric current has the unit ampere represented by A. Luminous intensity is the quantity to measure the wavelength of light having the unit candela represented as CD. Amount of substance is represented by unit mole and the symbol of the unit is mol, mole. Derived units are those units which are derived from the fundamental units. For example, velocity. The unit velocity is meter per second. Speed is equals to distance upon time, or velocity is equals to displacement upon time. The unit of distance is meter since it is a length and that of time is second. So the units of speed will be meter per second. Similarly, we can derive the units of other derived quantities also. Some important definition: mass and weight. Mass is the amount of matter present in a substance, but the weight is the force exerted by the gravity on that substance. The mass of a substance is always constant, but weight keeps on changing from one place to another due to the effect of gravity. We know the mass of any substance is higher at pole and lower at equator due to gravity. The SI unit of mass is kilogram represented as kg. The derived unit of weight is Newton. The unit of weight is derived from the unit of mass, that is the fundamental quantity. Let us understand the unit of weight. We know weight is equal to mass multiplied by gravitational acceleration. So the unit of weight will be equal to unit of mass multiplied by unit of gravitational acceleration, or it will be equal to kg multiplied by meter per second square, where meter per second square is the unit of gravitational acceleration. So kg meter per second square is the SI unit of weight, or it is also called as Newton. The weight of the chemicals in the laboratory are measured with the help of analytical balance. Nowadays, we use the digital balance to measure the weight of the chemicals in the laboratory. Volume is the space occupied by matter and its unit is length cube. In SI system, it is meter cube. We know volume is equal to length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. So the unit of volume will be unit of length multiplied by unit of breadth multiplied by unit of height. And these all three quantities are measured in the form of meter. So meter multiplied by meter multiplied by meter, it will be meter cube. So we can say the SI unit of volume is meter cube. But commonly we use the volume of liquid in liter, but it is not an SI unit. Mathematically, 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml is equal to 1000 centimeter cube, or it is equal to 1 decameter cube. The volume of liquids in the laboratory are measured with the help of following apparatus like burette, pipette, graduate cylinder, or volumetric flask. Density. The density is mass divided by volume. The symbol of density is the Greek letter rho. Deriving the SI units of density, the SI unit of density will be equal to SI unit of mass divided by SI unit of volume, that is kg divided by meter cube, or the units will be kg meter per cube. Temperature. Temperature is the measurement of heat, and it is measured in three scales: the Celsius scale, Fahrenheit scale, and Kelvin scale. The Celsius scales vary from 0 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius. The Fahrenheit scales vary from 32 degrees Fahrenheit to 212 degrees Fahrenheit. Kelvin scale is the SI scale of temperature, and it is represented by capital K. The temperature can be converted from one unit to another with the help of following relation. These temperatures are measured with the help of the given thermometers.